All right, guys. So just when you thought summer couldn't get any brighter, in comes Lucien to tell us that neon and prints are in for the season. We've got fashion designer Lucien Harrison here to show us how to blend this color, the neon that is, with other stuff that you already own, and to talk a little bit about the prints as well. It's Neon and Prints by Lucien Harrison. That's a line that's up for summer. So, Lucien, good morning to you.
Good morning to you,
Lucien, you
sir.
look like you're just born with it. How long have you been in this designing business?
I've been in the designing business about 4 years
Really?
professionally.
Really?
Yeah.
And tell us about some of the places that your lines have shown.
Well, I was in Style Week in New Kingston the other day, and I have been a part of Miss Universe and places like that.
And you've styled
Marine
some
Street.
celebrities as well.
Yeah, like
You go to the
IKEA.
IKEA, you go
Yeah.
to the Andy Phillips.
Yeah.
Um, what was it about fashion that spoke to you? Why this area for you?
Well, fashion is a cliche. It says passion, but at the end of the day, fashion is something that allows me to express myself. It's a form of art that I really like, and it's something that I've dedicated to me.
Yeah.
And it's something you can make an earning from, so why not do it?
Formally
Yeah.
trained?
No.
So
Self-taught.
this is all God given
me. Yeah, God
talent.
given.
Did you hone it when you realized you had the skill? Have you gone
No.
and done any courses?
No, I
or-
didn't. I
Not at
didn't,
all?
Not at all.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me how you follow the trends now. How you know what's in from what's not in. How you know that neon is what is going to be trending. And if something is trending somewhere else in the world, how we know that in Jamaica we're going to take it on?
Well, basically, me as a designer, I don't go with styles and trends. I go with inspiration. Because at the end of the day, fashion is whatever you put on and feel good in, as long as it look good to you. Even though sometimes you have to look at person's perception of the outfit, but you still have to feel comfortable in it as a person.
Yeah.
So for me, fashion is something that is
personal.
It's personal. It depict you. It speaks for you.
Yeah. But neon is trending.
Yeah, and it's
So
trending.
you're jumping on that trend, even though it's personal.
Yeah.
You're saying that this is a thing.
This is a thing,
All
man.
right.
Neon is a thing.
And then prints.
Print is always in. Print is timeless. Print is something that never come out. So I just mix a print with the neon and
Voila. Magique. All right, so let's have a look. You brought some models here with you today. So let's have a look. Models come on out. I have been seeing a lot of neon nail polish. That is
Yeah.
true. Now we're going to have a look at some neon fashion. Come on out, model. And time today. Let's start with this pretty little angel. Go ahead, Lucien. I'm
So
kicking
there
it
we
over
have
to you.
Leah, and Leah can wear this dress. This dress can wear to a little party or friend party. It can also wear to church. It's basically what you wear with it. So she have on a sneakers with it now. She can wear a sandals with it. She can wear a small heels, like a 1-inch heels with it. So this dress can go dress up and dress down. So that's
Lord,
Leah.
she adorable. And I love how you put the little, what you call
Yeah,
this now, the pancake
Yeah,
sleeve
the
around
Peter
it?
Pan color.
Okay, Peter Pan
Yeah, so it
color.
adds to the neon. So print on the neon.
Very nice, Leah. And then we have,
There we have Kwame. And Kwame's wearing a black and white printed shirt. And I give him a mid sleeve and a three-quarter a knee-length pants.
Yeah.
And in sneakers. Just him can wear this to the party, him can wear this to the mall, him can just basically just get up and put it on. And still you can also dress this look up and down, because my t-shirt I can wear with a blazer. I'm wearing a jacket with my t-shirt.
Right.
today. And it's the same t-shirt.
and it looks cool
It is.
in this summer heat.
Yeah.
Is it cotton?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's very cool.
All right. Next model. I want to talk to you about something else, but let's talk about this other
Yeah.
model first.
So there we have Daniela. And Daniela is wearing an office shoulder blouse, and that blouse can wear up, it can wear down, it can wear to the office, it can button it to the office, and a nice fishtail skirt. She's enjoying herself.
So this is neon, this is
This
fishtail, this is
neon,
high-low.
and this is striped.
This is 1,000 different things going on,
Yeah.
but this is fashion.
And it come together perfect.
Quite so.
It have to be compatible.
Quite so. Okay. So Daniela is having
Yeah.
her neon. I see another gentleman coming out. And those gentlemen come out in neon, Lucien. What's going on with that?
Well, for me personally, I don't like neon on a man.
Why?
I think it's too loud.
Oh, what are you saying?
But on myself then, I'll speak for myself.
Okay.
So when I'm making my stuff, like male stuff, I make it for myself.
Okay.
Because persons have to see Lucien Harrison through the designs. So that's what I did right here.
Gotcha.
But I give him a sleeveless just for the climate.
Yeah,
And it's cotton, so it's cool.
quite so. Yes, you look quite
Yeah.
summery.
So that's Azim.
All right. Next we have.
Danielle.
Okay.
And she's in neon and leopard.
Fancy. All right. Talk to me now.
So this is just a 3/4 pants
Yeah.
with a loose fitting top, pleated loose fitting top, and a little tulle at the shoulder. Not too much tulle because the tulle can come off really hot. Just to add to the pop of everything, and then the leopard do subtract everything from the neon and add something different, a little spark to it.
I think it's quite nice.
Yeah.
Where is she going?
She can go to a cocktail party with this. She can go to a street dance with this and stand out anywhere she is.
Yeah, could put on a nice pair of flat
Flat
slippers.
shoes
Yeah.
and just run to to Devon House to have some ice cream or something.
I don't know if you would really eat ice cream in this, but you can dress this up for
Yeah.
a nice like a liming session or something. Very nice. I love how you spruced it up with
Yeah.
the pop of
The pop off.
the flower on this collar.
So this is another printed shirt, but
Yeah.
it's a folded sleeve one.
Okay. Pretty much the same as the others.
Yeah, pretty much the
So
same.
you have the long sleeve, you have the no
folded
sleeve, and
and
then you
the
have
no
the
sleeve
folded
one.
sleeve. Okay.
And that's doing.
The men's print I noticed too is pretty standard.
Yeah,
Same
print,
thing
yeah.
that you're wearing.
Yeah.
Okay. Next we have, this is more, what do
This
you all
is
say in fashion? That step up is,
High fashion.
it's more
This
high
is more
fashion.
high fashion.
Okay.
And there's Anissa, and she's wearing a tulle dress, a two-layered skirt, with a nice off-the-shoulder top, leopard top. Just to cool down that tulle at the bottom, because I never want to go too much tulle on her,
Right.
with a zip to the center. And I can see her enjoying herself again. And her nice gothic shoes.
I
So
see the shoes. Can we see the shoes? Pull up, let me see the shoes. So this is like practical, for practical wear. This is just for runway, really.
No, you have people wearing this every day.
Oh,
The
yes,
other
sir.
day, a girl ordered one of this, and she wear it with a dress. Just a dress beneath the skirt. And she just wear it regular.
She
go in
wore
the-
a dress with this skirt.
A dress with the skirt. And it's coming so good. You don't think it's a top until you look and see.
I love see that picture there.
Yeah.
Very nice though. So everybody's gonna. Is there somebody else? Okay, everybody's gonna come on out again, guys, so we can see the full line. Lucien, where do we find your
On
stuff?
Instagram. I'm on Instagram, Lucien_image.
Yeah.
Or WhatsApp 440-1506 or call 990-7204.
Okay, and do you custom make or is it?
Yeah, I customize. I like customized things because I don't like to repeat designs.
Yeah.
So therefore, if you want something, you can say, Lucien, I want this, and then I add my touch to it and your touch, and then we'll collab and make
Gotcha.
magic happen.
All right. So here they are again. Or here they are again.
Little Leah.
Little Leah. Leah, you look so cutesy. I love your dress, Mama. You look lovely. And all the models coming out wearing their Lucien Harrison designs. Fashion designer Lucien Harrison with us this morning. On the other side of the break, things are getting intense with the duo behind the runnings of the show. We're going to talk to them about that in a bit. Watch my ear sticking out. Somebody couldn't tell me. Lucien, you couldn't tell me some ear was sticking out.
I never see it.
So we go back. Thanks, guys.
Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if it feel